And our next story was written by...
Hugh, Houston,
Lucie,
Lilliana, Victoria, John, Ellie, Nate.
This is our story.
And it is called Pinky Wyan the Axolotl's Problem and Adventure.
Hi, the name's Pinky Wyan. I'm a cheesy green axolotl, and I live in the last pillow pool on the planet. All the other pillow pools got stolen by aliens.
We are aliens from Mars. We are here to steal this pillow pool.
No!
We don't know how to make pillows, so we're gonna take this pillow pool.
Just learn!
Come with us.
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 I need more fluffy orange pillows, because orange pillows are what help this pillow pool survive. And orange is my favorite color. And orange pillows shine to make the magic that looks like a beautiful glowing orb of shimmery glitter sparkles that has a heavenly sound. Oh, angelic. But first, I need to erase the white pillows. Eraser!
I will erase it!
Good. The white pillows don't help because they don't shine or help make the magic. Eraser, I think I see a white pillow over there. Yes, did it. Time for me to enjoy my pillow pool. Maybe read a graphic novel as well. Ah, so that's how you save a pillow pool. Why didn't I read this earlier? Okay. Uh-oh.
Hey.
Eraser problem.
Hey.
Oh no, my hair! I'm stuck.
Erase it.
Okay, hold on. Wait, I remember I read a newspaper article that said something about this. What did it say?
Breaking news! If you've got peanut butter stuck in your hair, you should just eat it.
That's it! I'll just eat my cheesy hair!
Eat it. Come on. Eat faster. Go.
It's delicious, but so filling.
Get me out of here.
Yummy. Whew. That was Gouda. Yummy! Let's make stuff happen. And I don't have to wash my hair anymore, because I'm bald. This is great. Can you believe it? All right, time to erase some more white pillows. Eraser?
Yes.
I think I see one over there.
Oh.
Yeah. And, there's one over there. All right, good job. There's just one more right back here.
All right. I will erase it.
I guess I used up the last of my eraser, but we did save the pillow pool. I did it! Yes!
Sadly, you have gotten all of your math problems wrong.
No, it's because I couldn't erase my wrong answers because I used up my eraser. No.
The end?
The end.
We are the Story Wranglers.